Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Liam Munsami. I'm a rock and surf angler from Durban, KZN. And basically this channel is all about having fun, growing, learning, and just sharing my journey as an angler. So basically around 2.5 years I've been putting a lot of hours at the sea. And over these 2.5 years I've met multiple different friends who have taught me different facets of angling, skills, techniques. And I believe that, fishing is a sociable sport. So it's always good to fish with someone. So yeah, huge shout out to them. And basically, I'm going to showcase all different facets, whether it's scratching for edibles, non-edible fishing, spinning, drop shots. And yeah, please like and subscribe. And let's run the intro. How's it guys, welcome back. So sardine run madness, being my first sardine run, I took it as a learning experience, and I watched different anglers and quickly picked up on techniques that they used, which was called jig and drop. And I was successful after 2 weeks of trying, and I got my first sardine run fish. So on the day, I actually was chasing a shoal at Winklespruit, and I got a call that there was some fish coming out at Umgababa, and I never think twice. I just jumped in the car and I headed down to Umgababa. I never fished this area in my life, so when I got to the beach, I saw a nice pocket of sardines actually getting smashed by some game fish, and there was already a number of fish landed. So my GoPro was actually in my backpack, and first cast I jigged the sardine and I was pulled down flat. I successfully landed that fish. Then the second pickup I had was by a far bigger fish, on around my fourth or fifth cast. I actually had a lot of pressure on this fish because sardine run madness. Guys are throwing over you, there's lures, people are getting entangled, and in this scenario actually two people went on tight next to me. So in my head I was like, I have to pull this fish hard in case they get burnt off or we get tangled. So I did have a lot of pressure on this fish, and I unfortunately lost it maybe 10-15 meters in front of me, in the white water, as I think I had too much pressure on the fish and that knot actually pulled. I used a standard figure of 8, and I think from the first fish that knot was actually damaged, and in the madness I actually never checked it. So I unfortunately lost that fish. And then the third pickup was another angler named Cameron from Fishing Unfiltered, who I just filmed land a bus of a Garrick. So well done on that fish. And yeah, sardine run madness.
Okay, shot this video. Other guy, he getting dropped, sardine run 50-25. Very tight. Fish is here in the front. But quite hard to move it in. Okay, got it. Got it, guys. I'm gonna release some fish. Yeah. How do you get it, guys? hold this. So here, just hold this. Camera.
Okay.
Sure, bro. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Now the guys are gonna put this Garrick back.
Guys, absolute madness at Umgababa. So basically, I got to hook up on that rock, and I had to walk the fish over all these rocks, over that big rock, and come land him in the bay that side. So it was challenging, but we got him out with a safe release. So yeah, hopefully we go tight again. On, guys. Second fish. On tight, guys. Careful, our fish don't burn off. No, under. Mayhem, guys. I do want to get this fish away from the crowd, but I think I'm gonna have to pull him. Where on the left? Who's over? Careful. Wait, I got my leg. No stress. No stress. Got a lot of pressure on this fish, guys. It's just here in the front. Alright guys, he's heading for that rock. This is right here, guys. Come fast. Shot. Guys, I'm just gonna pull this fish. Oh. Selena is screaming. Sorry, sorry. Sardine. Fish came off, guys. Guys, that was a bus over Garrick. I lost him right in the front. I applied too much pressure because check all the guys who were throwing over me. I tried to pull him hard, but I should have just let him. He was in the white water right in the front. So back to back landed hooks. There seems to be a lot of fish with the show. Don't worry, today I caught one though. Yeah, I got one. I'm filming for you, okay? I'm gonna film for you, okay? Okay, I'm on. Chicken drops, guys. I lost a bass in the front. Is he there? You gonna bring him in here? No. Umgababa, guys. Say something for the O's, Cal.
Huh?
Say something for the O's. So tight.
I'm gonna get beam over.
It's over.
Hold this. Let me just which side you gonna bring him, Cam? Huh? Hey, Jay. Yeah. Sure. Holding only? Start, bro. And there's a lovely Garrick chicken drop. Chicken drop, guys. Pass. Yeah.